Hi students, welcome to SPI EduTech. We shall see daily aptitude that is required for your competitive exams. This is me, Maths Magician, SPR. We shall see the magic in a maths and solve the quickly how the problems can be solved quickly. Let's understand the question and then solve the problem as easier as possible. See here, let's come to the question number 1. At the beginning of the partnership business, the capital of B was 3 by 2 times that of A. See here, A and B both begin a partnership business and A invests some sort of money, they didn't mention, but B invests 3 by 2 times of A. After 8 months, B withdrew half of its capital and after 10 months, A withdrew 1 by 4th of its capital, which means they continue in a partnership for a year because the profit will be shared annually. At the end of the year it was mentioned, then it means the profit will be shared annually. If the profit incurred is 53,000, find the amount A received. Simple thing. See here, we can take in solve in different methods, variable methods and assumption method. Now I am saying this in an assumption method so that we can get the answer quickly. See here, let me assume that A invests 100. A invests 100 means B is 3 by 2 times of 100. What is 3 by 2 times of 100? It is 150. So 150 will be the 3 by 2 times of 100. And next here, I am saying to solve the problem in a quicker manner, not dragging the things. See here, after 8 months, B withdrew half of its capital, which means for 8 months, B will be investing the same amount 150. So which means for 8 months 150 means 8 into 150, which means that is 1200. Yeah, because 15 into 8 is 120, so 10 is a 1200, and again a remain half of the amount is removed, which means in 150 half means it's 75. So 75 amount is for the next 4 months. For 8 months it is 1200. For again 4 months means 75 into 4, which will be 300. So total amount of A B is 1500. Okay, now let me come to the A. For 10 months A will be 100 only, so that for 10 months it will be 1000. After 10 months it withdrew 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th withdrew means what? 1 by 4th of 100 is 25. 25 is withdrawn means A invests only 75. 75 for the next 2 months. 75 into 2 is 150. So already 10 months 1000 and remaining, which means for 10 months, let me write it here, it is 1000. 100 into 10 is 1000. For the next 2 months, for the 2 months 75 into 2, that is 150. So what is the amount of A's investment ratio will be 1150. So now A is to B. A and B are in the ratio 5 to 3. Okay, 23, no? Yeah, it is 5 into 23 times 5 into 3, 30 times. So this is the ratio. Now it is given that the total profit is 53,000. So the total parts is 53. If 53 parts is 53,000, they had asked the answer, what do you want to find in this question? A. A means what? It's 23 parts. 23 parts will be 23,000. So the option available is, where is it? D. D is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem and solve it quickly. So here I'm explaining you, so it takes 1 to 2 minutes. If you are solving it in a quicker manner with your understanding of your basic concepts, it will be solved a lesser in time. Okay students, let me come to the next question. A and B invest in a business in the ratio 3:7. Okay, the business marks a profit of 60,000 in a year. So total profit in a year is 60,000. They decided to distribute the profit remaining after reinvesting 40% of the profit, which means they plan to distribute themselves. So 40% is reinvested, which means the 40% is not considered for the distribution between them. So the 60% is the thing they're gonna distribute between themselves. So 60% of 6,000. Okay, 60% of 60,000 is 10% is 6,000 and 60% is 6 into 6,000, that is 36. So what will be the 60%? This is 60%, which means the 60% must be divided among A and B. We need to find B. So A and B is how many parts? 3:7, which means total 10 parts. So your 10 parts will be 36,000. So you need to find a B. B means 7 parts. What will be the 7 parts? So here 1 part will be 3,600. So 7 parts means 3,600 into 7. Your answer will be 36 into 7 means what? 7 30s are it is 210. 7 4s are it is 42. 210 plus 42 is 252. So 25200. So answer is available here. C is your right answer. Okay students, let me solve the other question. The working partner gets 20% as his commission of the profit after the commission is paid. See here, after the commission is paid, in that he will be getting 20%. The amount he got is, if the working partner commission is 6,000, what is the total profit of the business? Now let me see here. They said that 20% is 6,000. So if you know that 20% is 6,000, what is 100%? See here, if 20% is 6,000, 10% is half of it, 3,000. So 100% will be 30,000. So directly you can write it without any solving. So then if you understand this topic, so the further what you do here, if you calculate what did they said, see here, this is 20 percentage of the, this is after commission. So before commission is the total profit. They asked for the total profit of the business. This total will be the total profit. So total profit is 30,000 plus 6,000, that is 36,000. Answer is done and dusted. Okay students, now come to the next question, which is the toughest question. If you think if you are reading for any toughest competitive exam, there you can face this problem. Here let me study and solve it quickly and easily. Atul and Dev investors 1200 and 1800 respectively together to in a business, with the understanding that 70% of the profit would be distributed 5 is to 10. See here, investment ratio is 1200 and 800 means 0 0 cancel, 0 0, 4 4 4 3s are 4 2s are, that means Atul and Dev investment ratio is 3 is to 2. And now they have an understanding that 70% of the profit would be distributed 5 is to 7. Guys, if you are planning to prepare, kindly pause the video and solve the method that you know, then you come to my method. That will be more easy and that will make your preparation much more easier. Okay guys, first try and attempt by yourself, then come to my video. That will help you a lot in your preparations. Okay guys, here 70% of the profit would be distributed 5 is to 7, while the, see here, 70% is profited distributed 5 is to 7 ratio means what, Atul will get 5 is to 3 means 7 parts, 10, one part is 10, which means Atul will get 50, and so called, and then they will get 20%. Now here the remaining, while the remaining would be distributed as the interest in on their respective capitals. Based on their investment capital forms, they will be, remaining amount will be distributed. So 30% will be distributed in the ratio 3 is to 2. So 5 parts is 30, then what will be the 3 parts? 3 parts means 18, 2 parts means it's 12. So now you know 18 and 12. So this is Atul and this is Dev. Now you calculate A and, so overall if you combine Atul means 50 plus 18, so Atul will be getting 68% and they will be getting 20 plus 12, which is 32%. Now here if Atul earns 68 more than the Dev, here according to it, how much percentage is Atul more than Dev? It is 36. So 36% is Atul more than Dev. So 36% that they had given here is 68. If you know 36% is 68, you need to find what is the total profit. Our total profit will be 100%. If you know 36% is 68, what will be 1%? It will be 68 by 36. You need to find 100%, so multiply it with 100%. Here they had given approximate value. If they give approximate value, don't need to drag the question, just find the approximate values. 4 17 times, 4 9 times, 9 ones are 9 1 and again 1 11. I'm not going to decimal because we need only approximate value. Here 17 into 11 means 187. So 187 means closest value is 188 because it's an approximate value. So answer will be 188. Done and dusted. For regular videos, kindly keep posted. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. This is me, SPR, signing off. Have a nice day.